can hear the knocking sound, and it sounds like it's coming from down there, which I think is the end of the crankshaft down there. I mean, you know, that's pretty unscientific, but basically sounds like that. And it's pretty regular right now, but it has some other nice, fun little drumstick rhythms that it gets into, where it's like a very irregular and kind of just not as regular as this. But this is very sudden, very powerful. And of course, it doesn't get any better when it's in drive. I did manage to limp it home, but obviously there's some major issue here.